On the UHC website, click on Health and Wellness and click on Rewards. On the blue area to the top right, you can click on that to get your new rewards card for the first time. They'll mail it to your house. It's a reloadable Visa debit card that you'll get loaded when you earn rewards from UHC. On the left side, under Complete Your Annual Wellness Visit, click Get Started. When you click that, it allows you to log medical-related rewards, such as getting your annual physical, doing a follow-up annual well check, and that list of what you'll get rewarded for seems to change each year. You go back to the reward screen and click on Get Moving. This is where you can earn points by going to the gym and exercising and so forth. It's a self-reporting entry. Here's an example where I picked 4 days in September. If you pick 7 days of exercise and submit that, you'll be eligible for $10 in rewards added to your Visa debit card. So back on the reward screen over on the right in the middle, you can click on information about your balance of your card. So let's take a look at that and see how you actually get a card. That click brings up an external website where you can register your card that you received in the mail that you ordered already from the UHC website. So the Visa card and tracking of transactions is an external provider. You enter your card number and the security code and submit. I've already done that. I think I recall when you do that, you're going to enter things like your email address and password and other things so you can actually log in to this website. So come back here and enter your user ID and password, and it'll bring you up to a little portal where you can check your card activity, see the balance. I have a bit over $20.80. Then you can scroll down. You'll notice that $35.79 at the bottom. I'll show you where that comes into play later. Here's a transaction history summary. You want to go see where you spent it, or in this case, you see a $10 load from presumably an exercise month. You can also manage alerts, put your password in there. I would do that anytime the card is used. You can get an email sent back to you. There are a variety of alerts that you can set. You can look at if you have a low balance, if you have a minimum amount of a charge, if you want to get alerts on email on a daily basis. I think all of the alerts are email based, not text based. All right, let's go shopping at HEB. I'm going to scan a few items. This is not an OTC card, so I can pretty much get what I want. However, I could not use this online at Amazon. So I got a few products. Hit Pay Now. Go ahead and scan my card. And type in my PIN that I got when I registered my card. Hey, it worked.